Hey guys, what's up? It's Hannah. I'm back with another unboxing review. Today we're going to be unboxing Linksys Hydra Pro 6E tri-band mesh router. Again, 6 gigahertz band. It's Wi-Fi 6E, which is awesome. I know we love those. So let's go ahead and get to unboxing. I'm pretty excited. This is roughly the size of a shoebox. I don't know if that's helpful, but typically that's kind of how big these router boxes are. But once I take it out of the box, here we go. You can kind of see in real time, roughly the size of a shoebox. But I also have big feet, so this might just be a normal size shoebox for me. For others, it might be a little bit larger. Okay, so let me go ahead and open this. I do like that they have a more secure and sturdy box inside of their marketing box, because typically with marketing boxes, they're a little thinner, they're kind of flimsy. So it's nice that they have everything in here that's more secure. Okay, so opening it up right away, both pieces of documentation are right on the top. You can kind of see it right here. So we have the setup guide, which was on our what's inside list, and then this is the warranty documentation, regulatory information. The setup guide, I love that it's only one piece of paper. That's reassuring as a consumer, because it usually means that it's not as difficult to set up versus an actual manual that you have to read through. So on the front, it just explains how to download the application and how to add the Linksys to the network. So we're gonna go over that in our setup video. And on the back, this is really nice. It has a bit of a key that indicates what different colors of lights mean when you plug the router in. So I will be keeping those in handy because that's going to be helpful for me, especially if we have to do some troubleshooting, which I usually always have to do. Next, we have the star of the show. Let's see, the Hydra Pro 6E. Perfect, here it is in all of its glory. Kind of looks like a DVD player for people who remember what those are. I know that we hardly use those anymore because we have so much streaming services now. And then you can kind of see the tech on the inside, and it has kind of a graded top, which is nice. So that means it probably won't get overheated. It probably has some sort of central air filtration system, so it doesn't get overheated when we're using it. And on the back, it has the Ethernet ports, has a USB cable, super simple, super easy. And it looks like there are 4 antennas on this guy. Ooh, I like that. They snap right into place. I don't know if you can see that, but snapped into place. Typically with the Archer AX21 and some other routers that I've reviewed, the ones that have antennas, they don't have that like snap and lock, so you have to kind of mess with them manually to try and get them to be perfectly vertical. So I do like that this locks into place so you kind of know where the antennas are supposed to sit, and it looks like they're just shifting slightly back, but they're all parallel to each other, so they're all perfectly aligned. That's really nice. Really simple, pretty sleek. Again, looks like a DVD player. Not the most beautiful router we've seen, right? Obviously, if you have watched the Google Nest review videos or any kind of more updated techie routers that typically look smaller, more sleek, more minimalist, kind of being designed with the intention of fitting into a home, blending into a space. This doesn't really give that vibe, but again, not super big, not really clunky. You know, I feel like this will fit into a space really, really well. So I'm excited to get it set up and get it positioned in my house to start using it. Okay, again, so just a quick overview of what was in the box. We have the Hydra Pro 6E, the actual router, the star of the show. We have our power adapter, and we have our Ethernet cable. Let me make sure it stays balanced there. And then we also have our super quick and easy installation guide, as well as our warranty and regulatory documentation information. So that's everything. Overall, super painless, super easy unboxing. I'm really excited to get this bad boy running and get it set up and connected to my network to see how it performs. All right, thanks guys.